Welcome back, Daily Fam. Today we're gonna have a really interesting one. As you know, I go out to chase cards in some of these packs, and I'm definitely going for that Roaring Moon EX full alternate art. So I got 8 packs of the eight sleeves packs of the Roaring Moon, and if that doesn't work, I'm gonna throw in an extra additional 2 packs of a different sleeve pack, just indefinite needs. But I'm definitely gonna do uh, this Roaring Moon edition of these packs. So let me tear into them, pull them out, and see if these sleeve packs are working with, and then go from there. So as you can see, boom, there goes one, two. I don't think that, how they have these sleeve packs, definitely are sleeves. No faking the making it around here, because today we do this every day for you. Every day. Alright, so we're gonna open up this 8 first, and if we need the extra 2, then we'll use that. So we got 8 packs of that Paradox Rift. Going for that Roaring Moon. Alright, so about the equivalent of an ETB, I believe, in sleeve packs. Nice sealed product, that's fine. We'll definitely get some more as we start off with a Roaring Moon. We got 8 packs there, and if need be, 2 more to try it out. So let's get into it. Hope y'all enjoy this. If you do, if you're not subscribed right now, go ahead and subscribe. And there you go for doing that. One to the front here. Leave a comment down below. Share and like. So get into it. We're not going to really just call them out. We're going to go through them. It's a nice amount of packs. You like it? Nice cards to a nice trainer. Alright. That top loader. There we go. Love those trainer and supporter cards. It's nice. Nice first hit. Okay, get into our second pack. Paradox Rift is a set that I actually like. I don't think it's better than Powder and Evolve, but it's a very nice set. It has some really nice cards in it. So you get a that's a very nice ancient card there. I like that one. It's another one. Man, these cards are nice. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I have to go back through these and separate as we get into the third pack here. The rates are pretty good, I guess, on Paradox Rift. Get a cue card. There you go. To the front here. One little bit too fast. Energy. Until a hollow, okay? Man, I would love to hit that Roaring Moon. It's a very nice card. I love to put in the collection and have graded. Let me know what y'all would like to see hit. Or what packs that y'all want. As y'all know, in the Sword and Shield era, I'm still on Silver Tempest, trying to get that Lugia. Okay, we got a hollow. Got about 4 more packs of this. The Roaring Moon edition of sleeved packs. Had to try it out. Hey, they're gonna gonna do it. They probably won't put it in there to get a fire energy. Here's, let's see, multi, press, to machine, reverse, into a nice, very nice card there. That's a very nice one. I almost can't see how clear it is. Get a sleeve on that one. I don't have that one. I like to beat them down. Sorry if this is bad on audio. I like to beat them down a little bit. Get them in there, you know. Make them stick a little bit. Okay, nice 2 hits. Third on the last one of this, if we need the extra 2, the extra 2 that we need to bust off the sleeve, that'll be fine. Do it just for y'all. Cause you got a fire energy. Okay, maybe we got 2. Bundle radar. Turn it into a hollow. Alright. A little bit wrong. We got the back view here. Alright. There you go. One to the front here. Hopefully I get it. I don't never get tired of pulling and tearing packs open, but I would love to still save some awesome for future videos, or if people need some. So like this, okay. So we did the last pack, magic going. Or, well, not technically the last pack. I got 2 more that I'm gonna open if I don't get it. Maybe they have it in different art, pack art. If not, that's fine. Still enjoyed it. Know y'all enjoyed it. Got a couple of 2 decent hits up there. That's that part I like, huh? Okay. Put the first drill into a hollow. So we didn't unfortunately get it in those packs. Let me straighten this out, then I'm gonna go forward in the other 2. See if we could get it out of there. So we got a nice bulk of cards here. Yes, what do you do with all those cards? Oh, I make master sets for people. I don't really collect too many master sets. I only collect right now master sets, 151, Silver Tempest, Lost Origin. Those are my personal ones I like to get into to have for future reference. Other ones, I keep the hits that I don't have. Other stuff sell off, trade, you know, even buy some if I necessarily need it. As we get into these last 2 packs, see if we get it in another. It's a conspiracy saying, hey, they not gonna sell you the card, give you the hit in the card, but that's, I don't know how much that is about the Scarlet Fire era, but I did pull the Giratina before out of the I don't know if I gave you that, out of the Giratina pack. So who knows? I just think it's the packs most people buy. You know, it doesn't really matter as much. I think that draws people to it though, but other than that, nah, I don't really believe in too much of that. That's a real cool looking card there. I don't think I've seen that one. Alright, let's get into this last pack. Hopefully we got last pack magic. But as I said before, like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and definitely share the video. Get it out there so we can grow together, because I love doing this. I love the support I get. And let's go ahead and slow roll it. Leon Mask, Spinda, Tinker Tank, Tunnels, Sensor, Crobat, up, to a reverse hollow, into a reverse hollow mirror, into another last. First, it's a really nice looking card. There you go, hollow. Alright, so there we are. We got 2 hits out of the 10 packs. Like I said, the hit rate I wasn't expecting to be that great, but we did get some really nice cards out of it. Add to the collection. So if you liked it, like I liked it, hit the like button, leave a comment down below, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. As we all do and all know, until next time, peace, Poké fam.